Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your HONOR Earbuds X6. And firstly, make sure that your earbuds charging. And if you know that it's fully charged, the next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case. Now close the case, and your earbuds will disconnect from your phone. And after that, you just open the charging case, and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. And with this method, you may fix this problem. But if it didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the lid. At the back side of each earbud we have touch area, right here and right here. And you need to press and hold both of these touch areas at the same time until this light starts flashing red. So press and hold. Firstly it enters to panic mode, so it starts blinking white. You just keep holding it. And we have a red LED light. Next we need to remove these earbuds from the phone and then add it. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and at the device list click the information icon near to your earbuds, or maybe settings icon if you have Android. Now forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, after that click Pair New Device. At the top you will see this button, and after a factory reset these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we don't need to enter prank mode manually, we just stop at these earbuds at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!